Should I carry on going? Or should I stop? Hi! Ooh, diggity, get the bag it up down, not the way you work it. Ooh, diggity, got the bag it up down. Looks like they go from system to down. Conversion, set version 7.0. The toxicity of our city. Of our city. Wow. That's cool. That's really cool.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, man. So sick.
It's really nice for London. It's really fast, but it's really light and really small.
How old is it?
It's from 73.
1973.
Yeah, it was.
It looks like nice as well. It's all really well kept.
At the beginning of September.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
What's CC?
250.
Okay, okay, nice. Meow. Very cool bike, and the fact that he's commuting on it as well is cool. Where are you from?
I'm from Spain.
Hola, amigo.
Here?
Yeah, man.
This is really, really nice. 1,000.
Yeah, 1,000. Yeah, 1,000. Hi. Thanks. Nice hat.
Thanks. Comfortable?
Yeah, it's alright. It's good. Do you like Haribo?
Hello?
Do you like Haribo sweets?
Yes.
Would you prefer Star Mix or Tan Plastics?
Star Mix. Oh, cheers. What's the speed on this?
Max 113. Max. See ya. Not very smooth. Not very smooth. Let's go. Oh, don't run over the child. All the grown up. Vapor man, off the lights, camo backpack, L plates. What you saying? Red scooter. His suspension absorbing that bump. Harvey weaving around behind him trying to find an opening. There's not one there. Dominating the middle of the lane, vaping away. What are we doing? 21 miles an hour. Unbelievable speed. Vapey boy vaping away. Off the line. Oh my god, it's Vapey boy. Vapey boy vaping away. He's still vaping over there. We've been reunited. I'm off first. It's taking a different circuit and it's paying off for him now. Good man, how are you? Good. Yeah, man.
Why?
I make videos.
Videos what?
I'm riding around, meeting people, meeting awesome people like you, mate. On like I know you do. Tricked ya. God, that was the coolest indication I've ever seen, I think. Like, I'm going over there. I'm going over here. Harvey's come up against a new breed of racer. A peddly boy in a digital camouflage. He's got that 25 headshot with the cool indicates. Ooh, look at that. I'm going over there. Fluorescent backpack. Harvey's creeping up on the right hand side. He's got that engine advantage. And we're off. Digital peddly boy on the left hand side. Harvey on the right. He's just no match for that 1200cc engine. Will peddly boy catch up? I've got no doubt he will. He's a streamlined man. Calves of steel. There he is. Oh, the wind, the gust of wind as he blitzed past me. Peddly boy doing what cyclists do best. and pedal past the red light. Harvey's trying to catch up now. Pedley Boy's massively ahead of this pack, this peloton. Gaining up on him again. This will be about the third overtake for Pedley Boy. Harvey's standing up to absorb these bumps. Pedley Boy doesn't need to do that. He's got quads of steel. He hasn't got calves, he's got cows. Pedley Boy. Two Pedley Boys. Pedley Boy on the outside. The illegal overtake. Oh my god, get VAR, the marshals. Am I going to be able to catch him up? That is the question. Everyone gets waiting for the pieces I have left to show. I'm here waiting. Harvey's going to try and catch up Pedley Boy. Pedley Boy is nowhere to be seen. I think that's Pedley Boy got into work before me. That is the question. Will Pedley Boy be here as he goes around the corner? No. That's it. Harvey's going to have to concede here. Pedley Boy gets to work before Harvey. What a race. Bam.
Somebody off through that red light there.
Pardon? Love you. I love you. The angel from my nightmare. The shadow and the background of the moor. Ah, dogs. All the dogs. 3 dogs. We'll have Halloween on Christmas. Dog. Hello, little puppy. I've got an itchy head. Can't itch it. Do you like Haribo?
Huh?
Do you like Haribo? Sweets, do you like Haribo?
Harvey. Oh, you know what it is?
No, it's all for you. See ya. What? Yeah. Yep. Should I carry on going? Or should I stop? Hi! Yeah, of course.
How are you doing?
I'm okay, how are you?
I'm guessing you understand why we've stopped.
Absolutely, yes.
And I just want to run the registration through because I can't.
Sure.
Cool.
I'm going to turn my card off because I've got stuff playing.
Sure. How are you doing?
I'm okay, how are you?
Half five.
Thanks mate, cheers, thank you. Oops.
What was your name?
My name's Harvey.
Lovely. That's great. Thank you.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, perfect. Cheers, mate. Yeah, just slow it down a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
Because sometimes people come through them, like might cut across that red light on that bend there, and if you're coming through, you've noticed you're right away.
Yeah.
Did you buy it like this, or have you done it?
I've done it up, yeah. I bought it stock and sent it off to get done.
Yeah.
And it's more of a show bike, to be honest.
What is it, 600 or?
It's 1200. 1200cc, yeah. It's not that quick, it just looks...
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Old Yamaha XS250, like Cafe Racer, that I've done the same, like...
Oh, really?
Chop the seat and that.
That's cool.
But it's only a 250 and it's like 43 years old, so...
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It rattles along.
Yeah.
Lovely, thank you.
Alright, I'll see you later.
Okay. Alright, sorry guys. Have a good night. Uh-oh. Oh my god, away with that. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. They caught me out big time there. I full sent it. Oh. He was a biker. Oh. I can't believe Oopsie. Obviously, I usually commentate on what I'm doing, but my heart was in my mouth and I didn't know what to say. Oh. Nice guys though. Humphrey, my brother ditched me as well. My brother just ditched me. He's like, it's an undie. My brother said to on Cardo, he was like, oh, it's an undie, and then just like, I'm going, see you later, and he just rides past and just ditches me. You just ditched me?
Yeah.
Why?
I wasn't getting spoken to.
Why?
I'm not getting old. They pulled you over, not me. If they put the hand up and they told me to get in as well, I would have got in, but they didn't. So.
Did they look at you?
Not really. No, I got up right alongside them. I was looking in. I was like, they're just two normal dogs. They're not in uniform, were they?
Yeah, no.
So I was like, oh no, it's not feds. And they started giving it some. I was like, oh, they want it, but I didn't like give any more.
Yeah.
He sped up. Obviously going up to them, like, oh, they're not here. And they were like racing me. They got up and they got to like there, and their lights on. I was like, oh, that is feds. I'm guessing they look good.
Yeah. I think my heart was just my mouth, so I didn't say anything. I was just like.
To me, I was talking to you guys. I was like, I'm going.
I know. I just remember like snapping out of him, like, I'm gone, bro. Yeah. I'm going. And then you just whiz past, like, sailed past at like 30, 40 miles an hour, like, bye.
Yeah. So that was like prime fed Rories.
What, Ford Escort, navy blue?
That's like prime, clean as like a 70 plate. That's like what they give on the first day. As undies.
As undies, first day undies.
Yeah, that's like,
But he was super nice, they were super nice.
yeah, cause you won't get mental, you just like... So I was thinking, because it was coming up to the brow of the hill, I wanted to do a wheelie at the top and like ride it down.
I'm glad you didn't now. I thought about offering him some Haribo.